Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is B9 S4 day. Brother's already got the sweet wheels on from Super Speed, and we're doing yet another carbon fiber thing. This is probably gonna be one of the very final carbon fiber pieces we have going on the car. What do you got in there, man? That is a big package.
ECS, baby. Hopefully you can see it.
Yes,
right
sir.
There. It's a big piece. The car is up on the ramps, so I'm pretty sure people can put one and one together.
Two and two together.
I go with one and one because it sounds better, all right? So,
exhaust today?
this guy.
No, not exhaust.
Dude, this plastic has to go.
Nice.
This gray piece is not aggressive. It doesn't look good.
So what you're saying?
The arrow is just way off.
So what you're saying is it's diffuser time today.
Way off. Okay. Here's all the plastic. And looks like we got some here. Take that out. We got bags and plastic and everything. I'm not gonna lie, we took this out already because we got super excited. Here we go.
Ooh, that is a nice piece.
Carbone, baby, no plastic here.
Oh my goodness, this is my first time seeing this. This is beautiful.
Is it? Nice, okay. Alrighty, what do we think?
Wow.
The weave, and I love the fins. So it's gonna be 3 as opposed to 2 tiny little fins.
That is beautiful.
It's completely different. Let's hold it up and
very nice. Let's see how it looks on the car.
Completely different, right?
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be so cool.
Oh yeah, that's gonna look so nice.
This is, I think, the last piece that'll really make a difference.
Yep. By the way, guys, my car looks absolutely beautiful in the light. Hold on. I'm gonna have to zoom in on this bad boy. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm absolutely in love with those wheels. Okay, so we are under the car.
Yep.
And there's a couple bolts. What is that? 8mm?
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter. Okay.
So I've already loosened it. You just unscrew the rest of it, and that is it. Let's go for the other one.
And there's 2 of these.
There's 2. Alrighty, that is 2. Easy peasy. And these are plastic, by the way.
Okay, and then now we're just gonna have to deal with the clips holding it in place,
now we just
right?
pull it straight out, I believe.
Okay, let's give it a shot.
All right, so as you can see here, the sensor cable is right there for when you kick the trunk to open it. I did break, actually, my first piece that I broke on this car there.
He breaks everything.
Can you see it on the camera? Yeah, there you go. I bent it, I pulled it back a little too much. Hopefully I don't have to revert it to stock, but anyways.
This is number 5 for him. Number 5, 5th piece broken.
There we go. So I'm just gonna take this off and then apply this to the new one, and then that should be it, and it should slide in, and this was so far too easy, other than me breaking my own piece. So the sensor was on this, and I just started yanking this because it's 3M, as you can see right there. So I'm just gonna pull here, and then I'll transfer it to the new one. Hopefully it fits.
This seems like a very easy transfer too.
Yeah, it is. It's just applying the new one's gonna be a bit of
You
pain.
mentioned that other YouTubers like didn't do this, and I'm not sure why, because this is very simple.
I've seen a couple just leave them hanging, and that's a little sketchy for me.
Yeah, so we're just gonna blow dry this, clean up the 3M
Look how
a little
fast
bit.
this comes off too.
Yeah, super smooth.
Look at that.
All right, so 3M's off already on that.
Okay.
Perfect. Just gonna get some alcohol to clean that up, and then take this off as well. Oh, this isn't even tape. This is just a mark.
Yeah, that's just the mark.
Oh,
look
perfect.
At this. Look at all the rocks. Did you see all the rocks there? Do you want to show them?
Crazy. So much debris for sure.
And then I'm just guesstimating it based on how we had it positioned before.
No, not a little more this way. It was around there. Yep,
okay.
That's around where it was.
All right, I think this is
I'd stick down one side at a time here.
I think it might come off a little bit, but as long as it holds for the most part, I think we're okay.
Yeah.
There's some higher edges. some raised surfaces. It's okay. There's a gap here because of the way the carbon fiber diffuser is shaped, but that's okay. As long as it sticks in some places, we're happy. Okay, so I've knocked the living hell out of it, gotten most of the rocks out. I put in the sensor. Now we're dry fitting. And by dry fitting, I mean we're putting it in. Okay, the bottom lines up. That's straight, right? Okay. Yeah, I think it's gonna be
you're gonna want to start clicking from the middle.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty, I forced it in. I think it's clicked in. I'm not a doctor, so I don't know, but these guys are where they're supposed to be. These are lined up. So we've got the carbon a little bit dirty, not a big deal. The final 2 plastic screws, bolts, whatever going in. Let's hand torque them maybe. All right. Oh, they barely fit.
All right, buddy, so what do you think?
All right, so aggressive.
Yeah.
And it's not even off the ramps yet, so my reaction is gonna be even better, but the fact that it pushes out like half an inch here already, and then the 3 fins are so much lower, it's incredible. Like, the car's pretty much done, which got, like, I'm excited. It's a great day. Yes! Yes, with the wheels, the front lip. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna do the side skirts. Wow. Straight on, it is so crazy. So the one beauty about this is I had a silver strip on the old diffuser that I didn't wrap, and everyone kept bothering me about that because they're like, hey, you didn't, you know, you wrapped everything, you didn't do that. This doesn't have that, it came off, it's done. That's all I need to say. The only thing is I might have to black out these, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. If you guys think I should, definitely let me know, and the emblem as well. But with that said, huge shout out to ECS Tuning. Thank you guys so much. The fitment is fantastic. It went on really easy. I'm a really big fan of all their products, so I'll put the link in the description below. And again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Big like for us. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.